Here's a true workhorse of a truck, a 1999 Ford F250 Super Duty. This is a Lariat. It's got a 7.3 liter turbo diesel. Anybody that knows diesels knows 7.3 is the Mac Daddy engine, the best engine. The extreme opposite of a 6.0. So anyhow, 7.3 liter turbo diesel, 1999 Lariat. Power windows, locks, leather. Great truck. Let me just walk you around it. It's got 279,000 miles. Truck's very strong. Pulls very well. Has ice cold air. A lot of things have been done to it. It's got a new computer. I don't know. I'd have to pull up the receipts, but a lot of work's been done on it. I mean, it's a pretty solid truck. See, it's got a stereo system in the back. Obviously, if you didn't want this, you could just take this out and put a seat back in it. But look at the condition of the interior. Seats are in excellent condition. Headliner. Air is ice cold. Dash is in great shape. It's really a stand-up truck. You can see all the doors. Power windows, power locks. It's got 18-inch wheels. These wheels actually came off a King Ranch. Really nice wheels. It's got the hitch right here. Fifth wheel. Got a box in the back. F250 Super Duty, 7.3. I'm telling you, these are expensive wheels. These are off the King Ranch. These are really nice wheels. Interior is very clean. Everything's power. Ridiculously cold AC. I mean, it's got great air. It really does. Look at the seats on it. Here's your miles. Well, if you know anything, you know diesels. 7.3 is a 600,000 mile engine all day long. Lariat F250 Super Duty. Clean truck, runs and drives strong. I mean, if you're looking for a work truck, this truck's priced right. This is the right truck right here. This is a hell of a work truck. I mean, not only is it a 250 extended cab, also a Lariat diesel, 7.3 at that. I mean, that is the engine to have. They're really bulletproof. Just walk you around one more time. You can see tinted windows. Just sort of give you a good view of everything on the truck, just where you can see the condition. The truck really is in really good shape. I mean, look, it's a 99 F250, but I mean, check it out. For what it is, it's in excellent condition. Runs and drives strong, and it's got the best motor you're going to get. There, accident free right here on the auto check. F250. I mean, look how nice the wheels are. These are awesome wheels. Box on the back, fifth wheel, hitch. Alright, well, let me show you how it drives. Or as they say, where the rubber meets the road. We'll take it for a spin. just for your brake in the back. Here's your tunes. Let me just turn the air down.
Join the front lines of an intergalactic war on the new Transformers The Ride 3D at Universal Orlando Resorts. High-definition 3D film is fused with flight simulation technology to create the greatest battle you'll ever ride.
Alright, so I think you get the point. It's got a jamming radio, ice cold air. Alright, let me get my seatbelt on. Take it for a spin. F250 Super Duty, 7.3 liter, fifth wheel hitch, 18-inch wheels. I mean, it really is a lot of truck for the money. So if you're looking for a heavy-duty work truck, it's about as good as it's going to get right here. Let me pull in over here. I'll walk you around the truck one more time, but show you the dash just one more time. The dash is in great shape. Love the way a diesel sounds. Extended cab, King Ranch wheels, leather interior, ice cold air, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, booming stereo system. I know to a lot of you you'd rather have the back seat, but hey, shit, you may want the stereo. Pretty straight truck. I mean, this truck stands tall. It's got the right engine. It'll do the job all day long. And it's priced to sell. So if you're interested in the truck, give me a call, 239-537. Or better yet, call this number, 239-432-0800. That's 239-432-0800. We accept trades. We finance. A lot of times we'll just finance in-house, so don't worry about your credit. Job and a driver's license, all I care about. Accept all forms of payments, cash, check, credit cards. If you like the truck, we'll get you done. No big deal. But I mean, it's a clean truck. Look at the condition of it. Solid, good looking. Real diesel, right here. Anyhow, listen, I appreciate you guys watching the video. If we can help you with the truck, feel free to give us a call, alright? Hey, we'll talk to you soon.